Okay. Hey, it's good to see you. Welcome back to Teacher Kenny's Say With Me pronunciation video course. Now, today is going to be a tough one. Today's lesson will challenge you, and you're going to have to listen carefully to what I say and mimic what I say. And we're going to be working with words like the end. Well, one thing, the end in G. So we got ING. Oh, I'm looking here. ONG, UNG. And some of these, the G is almost silent. And you're going to hear me talk about sliding into the G. Now, I know a lot of you, if you're from China or in Asia, you're used to saying G very harsh. In China, like g, like eg is a classifier. And so when you see words that have a G in them, sometimes you may go like, let's find out like long, right? You might go longer. And you go wrong. That's bad pronunciation. And you got to slide into this word long. Hear that? Long. And so that's what you want to do. And I'll point out some of these words when we go through the vocabulary. And words like sang, sung, you just kind of make a G in your throat. You don't actually pronounce it. And you're going to hear me do this, okay? But this is going to be a challenge because you're going to have to keep from going g. Does it make sense? I hope it does. I hope it makes sense. But we're going to have some fun with some vocabulary. But these words like this were probably some of the most challenging words I've ever had to work with, and challenging sound. And I'm talking about teaching thousands of students when I was overseas. This is one of the ones that's tough. And you're going to probably want to watch this lesson several times and kind of pick up on how the native speaker uses this G, this like ing, like I'm studying. So you're not saying studying good, studying, and that's just the way the ing works. But you're going to see how the other words work a little different. So let's go take a look at some vocabulary. Then we got some sentences, and we'll have a whole little lesson just for you. So let's go look at some vocabulary right now. Okay, so here we are with this lesson of the special sounds of ANG, ING, ONG, and UNG. And you're going to hear some little differences. And remember, I'll point out the ones where you got to kind of slide into the G at the end of the word. You won't say things like singa or longa. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so just copy what I do, say what I say, and we'll be okay. All right, so let's look at line 1. This first word is seen. That's always seen. Peen. See, the G would be silent here. Now this one here, now listen carefully. Long. His tail is very long. See, it's not longa, just long. Hung. Line number 2, rung. Plain and simple, rung. Just say with me, song, strung. Hear how soft that G is at the end? Strung. Steen, een, steen. Line 3, sung. Lung. Hear that G is very lung. Pain. Yang. Line number 4, wean. Sang. Fang. Hear that? Fang. Strain. Line number 5, stung. Not stunga, just stung. Bane. Dean. Gang. Line number 6, just follow me. Rang. Now listen carefully to this one. Wrong. She was wrong. Keen. Hang. Our last line, line number 7, gong. Dong. Strong. Hear that? Strong. Thing. Okay. Now let's find some good sentences here. Righty. We got 5 sentences. Let's look at sentence number 1. Lean sang a long song. I'll say it again. Repeat after me. Ling sang a long song. See, that was easy. Sentence number 2. The keen is never wrong. The keen is never wrong. Sentence number 3. A bee stung the lark's wing. A bee stung the lark's wing. Sentence 4. Hang the gain by the thin string. All right, let me say this again. Hang the gain by the thin string. And our last sentence, sentence 5. Ding dong rang the bell. Ding dong rang the bell. And that's it for this lesson today. Now, to get these perfect, you'll need to practice. And like I said, don't make the G, don't go like wronga or anything like that. Just slide in wrong. It was all wrong. And be soft at that end of those sentences. But I want you to have a good day, and we'll see you on the next lesson. Say bye-bye.